Today we're making Turkish style zucchini fritters. You need 2 zucchinis, some feta cheese, 3 eggs, some flour, fresh or frozen mint and parsley, green onions, and some seasoning like salt, black pepper, and flaked peppers. First, wash your zucchinis and cut off the stem and any other hard parts. Get your grater out and grate the two. Now add quite some salt to the zucchinis, knead them a bit and let it rest in a sieve. The more water we can extract from the zucchinis, the less flour you will need later on, and the better it'll taste. I let mine drop for a few hours, but even 10 to 15 minutes suffice. Now add the eggs, the chopped onions and the feta cheese, some parsley and mint, and all the seasoning you want. Mix this thoroughly. A small note here. Of course you don't need to add cheese if you don't like it. Sometimes I don't add any green onions as well. It is all a matter of taste, and don't be shy to experiment with the recipe. Now add the flour and see how the consistency is. It should be a bit thicker than pancake dough. Get a pan ready with some vegetable oil and heat it up. Now you can scoop the dough on the pan and fry it. You can make them any size you want, but I prefer this fairly small one. Of course, the fresher you eat them, the better, but sometimes you'll have just a bit too much. In that case, just put it into the fridge and eat it like a piece of salami on some bread for breakfast. It really tastes good, even cold. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.